In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to submit your Roblox customer support ticket. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. I recommend following this method on your computer through a web browser, but if you need to use your phone, just make sure to use the web browser to go into the Roblox website and not the app. Once you are logged into the website, just click on the little cogwheel icon at the top right corner of the screen and select Help from the drop-down menu. You will be taken to the official Roblox help page at help.roblox.com, and in here you can select any article related to what you need from customer support. So for example, I'm going to go into the billing page and I'm going to select unauthorized charges and refund requests. Once you find the article related to what problem you are having, just scroll all the way down until you see this option, Need More Help? Contact support here. This is available on any and all articles from the Roblox help page, so just scroll all the way down and click on Need More Help. As you can see now, it redirected us to the Support Contact Us page, where you have to input the contact information in order to be able to keep in touch with the Roblox customer support. So input a valid email that you will use to communicate with them and detail your issue by selecting which device you play on and the help category from the drop-down menu. Describe your issue with all the details needed and then click Submit. You will be contacted using the email address you provided, so like I said, remember to use a valid email address. I hope I was able to help you on how to submit your Roblox customer support ticket. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.